Hi everyone, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're drawing the iconic and adorable Hello Kitty using only a pencil. This soft and simple sketch is perfect for practicing gentle lines and bringing out her classic charm in a calm, minimal way. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our sweet and creative drawing tutorials. And here's a fun question. What's your favorite Hello Kitty outfit or theme? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to turn one of your ideas into a future sketch. Let's grab our pencil and start drawing this lovely classic character. Great job, artists! Your pencil sketch of Hello Kitty looks soft, sweet, and full of charm. Thanks for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you like this calm and cozy sketch, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other pencil drawings and kawaii characters. There's always something cute to create. Keep sketching, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video.